Okay, our word for today is ITIK. So ITIK means duck in English. So ITIK. So let's look at the consonants. So ta and kap. So we have letter T, which is represented by this letter ta, and ka is written like this, ka. Now this is interesting because our first letter is a vowel sound. So if a word starts with a vowel sound, we add the alif, and it is written like this if it's letter I, or if the baris is below. So we write this first. Okay, so alif hababa, so let's write them. So alif hababa I, so that's the letter I. Then ta, what's its baris? Its vowel sound is I, so it's below. So ta, write it below, ta hababa T. And lastly we have the kap. Then kap has no baris, it has no vowel sound, so we just simply add the manuk sign. So this is how you spell itik in Sulat Sug. Now if you will connect them, alif belongs to the 4 letters that you cannot connect, another letter after it, so you cannot connect this, so just write it as is, and then you connect the letter ta and kap. So you write this itik. So alif hababa I, ta hababa T, manuk kap tik. Sorry for the cats. Subscribe for more.